Hello, good morning. So, after 2 month long gap, we have started again our lectures. So, last time we seen this. This is an encoder. Encoder means what? If you press any human known language key 0 to 9, it converts into its equivalent code. Okay, last time we saw this connection, how we are going to make the connection between these lines and the OR gate inputs. Okay, so if you press 0 numbered key, so we will get the 000 output. Okay, because when we press the 0, no input is connected to the OR gate, so we'll get 0000. Okay, so similarly, if we press the particular numbered key, we get the equivalent binary code at the output of this circuit. So therefore it is called as a encoder. Okay, so which converts human known language into its equivalent code, binary code. Okay, so therefore it is called as encoder. Okay, so one of the drawback of this circuit is if you press more than one key. Okay, if you press more than one key, you get the output that is not a valid output. Means what? If you press two keys, then valid outputs are only this one, 00000 to 1001. Why? It is BCD, binary coded decimal, because 10th equivalent is not possible with the BCD. Okay, because only 0 to 9 equivalents are considered in the BCD. If we say this one 1010 is equivalent to 10, which is the invalid code in BCD, binary coded decimal. Okay, so drawback is if we press more than one keys, we get the output code which is not a valid code. Okay, not from this code. Okay, so for that purpose we are not using this circuit in the coded form, coded circuits. So there is another IC that is called as IC 74147. Okay, this IC 74147, which is a priority encoder. Okay, which is called as priority encoder. What means by priority encoder? So this is simple encoder and this is the priority encoder. What it means, that priority encoder means the priorities are given to this input. And if you see here, all the inputs are shown here bubbled. Okay, what the meaning of this bubble? Bubble, it means, okay, bubble means what? It is a inversion. So it means that these inputs and outputs are active low type. Okay, what it means? It means the bubble indicate that it is an active low type. So listen, see here, the outputs are here B, C, D and A. So these are the output. Okay, so D, C, B, A. So these are the outputs, and inputs are here. So look at the here, it is started from x1, x2, x3, then x4 to x9. Okay, so this 0 key is not included here. If you see here, x1, x2, okay, then here x3 is here, x4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 0 key like that. So in this circuit 0 key is included because nothing is applied, that means it is 0. So 0 key is not included here. Okay, this is the main difference. So these are the active low. Let us see the circuit diagram for this 74147. How we are going to apply the inputs to the IC 74147. Okay, and how will we get the output? Okay, so this is a priority encoder 74147. Okay, so it has here 1 to 9 inputs. Okay, so here name are given here, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8 and x9. So these are the inputs, and these are active low input. Okay, so the what inverter indicates, these are active low. That means if you want to apply the input, you have to connect that particular input to ground. Okay, if you want to apply input, then particular input you have to connect to ground. Then output is DCBA. DCBA. Okay, these are also active low. Okay, so active low means what? If you want output 0001, then you will get, in that case you get 1110. Let us see how we are going to see that. So this is the plus VCC. Plus VCC is at pin number 16. Okay, and ground is at pin number 8. Okay, then how we are going to observe the output? So here the resistors are connected. So this circuit is for practical purpose. Okay, so we are going to connect LEDs. So these are the light emitting diodes. So anode is already at plus VCC and cathodes are connected to particular output. Okay, so these are the LEDs. So we connect like this. Okay, so we connect like this. So because if you want output 0, okay, sorry, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, so this is DCBA. Okay, what happens in that case? If this is DCBA, that means these are active low. If you want this output 0001, in the active low case you get 1, 1, 1 and 0. Okay, so in place of 0 you will get here 1. It means that it is an active low output. Okay, so if we want for that we get output 0001, that means equivalent to 1, you have to connect one numbered input to ground and leave it as it is, or it may be high. Okay, if you apply 0, then you will get here 0001. Okay, let us see what it means a priority. If you consider the truth table, priority encoder. Okay, so priorities are given to the input. So consider in the truth table inputs. So here inputs are x1, x2, x3, x4, 5, x6, x7, x8 and x9. Okay, so these are the input, and outputs are DCBA. Okay, if we apply, now here you have to apply the input, means you have to connect the input to ground. That means you have to apply here 0 and remaining are the high. So these are the 1, 1, 1. So you have to apply nothing, means it is considered as a high. Okay, so here then you will get, you want this 001 equivalent to 1, but here in this case you will get here 1, 1, 1 and 0. Why this one? Because if these are the active low outputs, in place of 0 you will get 1 here, and you are making the connection in such a way that if this 1 is applied to this cathode, it becomes reverse bias, this becomes reverse bias, this becomes reverse bias, and if 0 is connected to this cathode, anode is at already positive potential, so when 0 is connected here, it will turn on and all remaining LEDs are turned off. So for that case you will get this LED is off, this LED is off and this on. That means you can read here 0001. You can read 0001. So for that purpose we are making this arrangement and we get the output here like this. So we get 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, you can write 1 for 1 H, and for 0 you can write here also L. Okay, so H, H, H and L. Then priority means what? Now see here, if we connect both the inputs are ground, if we apply both the inputs. Okay, so here 1 is also connected ground, and simultaneously this 2 is also connected to ground. I mean simultaneously both the inputs are applied. So in that case, okay, so priority is given to this one. Okay, priority is given to this one. Okay, so this priority is given to the second. This is lower priority. So this one is lower priority, this one is higher priority. Okay, so for that you will get output 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. Okay, for this output you will get here 1 1 0 1. Okay, opposite 1 1 0 1. So here, so it becomes off, this becomes off. So because of 0 it will turn on, because of 1 this will turn off. Then you can see here 0 0 1 0, that is equivalent to 2. So because of that, if though the outputs are inverted, you can read here the same sequence and same equivalent binary by connecting this LED. Okay, so now, so these remainings are high, means we are not applying the any input. High means we are not applying any input. So you will get here, so 1 1 0 1, it is equivalent to 2 because it is active low form 0 0 1 0. Okay, so if you apply 3 inputs simultaneously, you are applied or not applied, it may be applied or it may be not applied. So just consider 3 inputs are applied. So you will get the output here 1 1 0 0. Okay, that means in correct form 0 0 1 1, it is equal to 3, and remainings are the. Now if we apply 4 inputs, okay, so sometimes there is written X, sometimes it may be written X. So here X means don't care condition. It may be 0, it may be 1, if may be applied or not applied. Okay, and these are not applied. 1 means not applied. Okay, so you will get equivalent to, so here 4. So how we can write the 4? 1 0 1 1. So it is 0 1 0 0. So like that, the highest priority is given to this 9 numbered input. That means if we carry this, if we apply all the inputs, okay, then highest priority is given to this one, and you will get output equivalent to 9. 9 means just in a ones complement form. Okay, how we can write ones complement? 9 means 1 0 0 1, so you will get 0 1 1 0. That means we want 1 0 0 1. Okay, but so it means that active low means you have to apply 0 to apply the input, and you will get active low outputs, means what? In place of 1 you will get 0. Okay, so this is the priority encoder. Okay, the priorities are given. Highest priority input is this one, lowest priority is this one. If apply all the inputs, you will get equivalent to this. Okay, so this is the advantage of priority encoder. Okay, okay, so next one is opposite action of encoder is decoder. Okay, so opposite action of encoder is decoder. Encoder converts human known language into the coded form, but here decoder converts the coded information into decimal output. Decimal output means if we apply a coded information, okay, then equivalent of that coded information, the decimal output equivalent number goes high. Okay, if you apply 0 0 0 1, then 1 numbered output goes high. If you apply 0 0 1 0, then 2 numbered output goes high. That means equivalent of this binary code, that particular output goes high. Okay, if you apply the binary code, then equivalent of this binary output, decimal output goes high. Okay, so here is the decoder, opposite of the decoder. That means I'm not drawing this now. So it is just like a demultiplexer circuit. Okay, I told you before we can say this demultiplexer also as a decoder. Okay, let's show you. I told you before we can say this demultiplexer as a decoder. So right now I don't have that one, I think. Okay, so demultiplexer can be also known as a decoder. Okay, so in that case a decoder means converts binary applied into its equivalent decimal number. So this is circuit is this same connection like a demultiplexer. So what is the difference between demultiplexer and decoder? There is no input data. So okay, so here in demultiplexer we use a common input here. Okay, in demultiplexer we use a common input, but the same circuit but without input is called as a decoder. Okay, so just let us consider this one. This circuit is nothing but a demultiplexer circuit. Difference is there is no input. Okay, so we can say that this is a decoder circuit which converts this 4-bit binary number into its equivalent decimal. Okay, so this is called as BCD to decimal decoder. Okay, so you have to apply BCD. All the remaining diagrams is same. Okay, you can consider inverted as 0. So 0 0 0 0, then 0 0 0 1. So like that. So we use up to 9 gates. Okay, so this is the 3 4 5. So there may be intermediate gates. These are not drawn here, but you have to draw all these gates. So here we require 10 gates. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You have to draw this, all these gates. Okay, so in between there are 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, आळशीपणा केला त्याने, ते काढलेलं नाही आहे. सो बट दे मेक सम lazy drawing. Okay, so you have to draw all these from 0 to 9, 10 gates. Okay, so if we apply 0 0 0 here, then in demultiplexer we saw that if we apply 0 0 0, then first numbered AND gates, all inputs becomes 1. Okay, if we apply 0 0 0 1, then the 0 0 0 1, then this AND gate, which is one numbered AND gate, so all the input becomes 1. If we apply 0 0 1 0, then for the second numbered AND gate, all the inputs becomes 1. So it means what? So let us consider if we apply 0 0 1 0, 0 0 1 0 is equivalent to 2. So this two numbered AND gate, all the inputs are becomes 1, and because of that this AND gate enables and its output goes to 1, and remaining outputs are 0 because one of the input of remaining AND gates becomes 0, and these AND gates become disabled, and you will get output 0 0 0, all the 0 and here 0. Okay, so that means if you apply the coded information, particular that numbered AND gate gets enabled and you will get the output 1. So here you are applied, suppose take this example here, consider this one. If you apply 0 0 0 0, okay, if you apply 0 0 0 0, then because of that, so this is inverted here, it becomes 1 1 1, sorry, so you have to take 1 0. Consider this example, 0 0 1 0. That means this 1 is inverted and it becomes 0. So 0 is inverted, it becomes 1. Then which gate it becomes enabled? So this 1 is applied here. Okay, so this direct one is applied here, and this also inverted one is applied here, and this one is applied here. So this two numbered AND gates, all input becomes 1, and remaining AND gates are having the input becomes 0, and these AND gates disables, and only this AND gate becomes enable. You will get output 1. So this two numbered output goes 1, and if you apply 0 0 1 0, the equivalent of 0 0 1 0 is 2. That is the conversion. Okay, so this is called as decoder, BCD to decimal decoder.